Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Monday. I'm getting ready to walk out the door, and I figured I would do a week in my life vlog. I am going to try to make a concerted effort to vlog something every day this week. So today is Monday. I'm getting ready to meet up with one of my best friends. She's in town from Texas right now, and we're just gonna grab breakfast and hang out for a little bit. This is the only day that she had available, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I have a million work things to do when I get home. So we'll see if she wants to say hi on camera. All right, we just had breakfast. This is Allie.
Hi.
She's in from Texas, which you guys will probably see her quite a bit because she's gonna be involved in wedding junk.
Yay.
So we went to Leo's, which is a place that I worked at, and she came to visit me all the time when I worked there when we were like 16. So I'm going to drop her off at home.
Not ready for that.
It is Tuesday afternoon, and I totally forgot that I filmed a couple of clips for the last vlog and ended up not including them because I shared all of the spoilers for the With Love Sarah subscription box, and then by the time I posted that video, not everyone's box had been delivered, so I wanted to make sure not to have spoilers in there until I knew everyone had their boxes. So I'm going to insert that footage from last week right here. I figured I would give you guys a little behind the scenes look at the subscription box prep. I'm planning on sending these out this week, so I just wanted to show you. This is the neutral bracelet stack that I'm sending out. This is the gold version, and then this is the silver version. I will link the subscription box below, but these are exclusive pieces, so you can only get them if you are included in the subscription. So these are all the neutral ones. I'm just prepping these so that I can ship them out. This is the necklace that's going out. It's the very first layered necklace. This is obviously the gold version, and then it will also come in silver for those of you that prefer the silver version. But I just love it. I think it's so pretty. I love the details of it, and I think that it's so awesome that it is layered because it gives you that look without having to choose different pieces to go together. All right, it is the next day, and I am packing up all of these subscription orders, and you guys always seem to like the behind the scenes of me doing some work, and so let's pack up some orders. All right, now let's do a little unboxing. I told you guys in the last vlog, there was a company that reached out to me to send me some goodies. I got the box, and I am so excited to open it up. So let's go through these packages. I've been getting a lot more PR lately, which is really, really exciting. So this is from this week, which this is the most I've ever gotten in a week before. And I feel like a kid on Christmas. The next package is from Carity, which I haven't tried anything from this brand before, but they just released Millennial Ink eyeliners, and they come in gel, automatic, and liquid formulas. They're each $9. So these are brand new. I knew that they were releasing them, so I will definitely give these a go and see how they work. But yeah, there's 3 different formulas, which is cool. Next, this is the cutest packaging from Pixi. So this is their Hydrating Milky collection, and it comes with a makeup remover, cleanser, a peel, and then a tonic, a serum, and a moisturizer. So I just think this is the cutest little packaging. Like, how freaking adorable. I'm excited to try these out. When I get packages like this, I'm like, I don't want to take it apart because it's so cute. But I will recycle it. Next, from Bliss. This is actually really cute packaging too. This is the Bright Idea line, I guess. It's vitamin C plus tripeptide. It is a collagen protecting and brightening serum, moisturizer, and eye cream. I really love Bliss's masks and their eye creams. I've tried a couple of them and I really like them, so I will definitely give these a go. I started using another eye cream, and I had more red dots, which I've mentioned before from a different eye cream, and now it just happened with this new one I tried out. So it's kind of frustrating. I don't know if there's like one ingredient that's just really irritating to my skin. I don't know what it is. I need to look at which ingredients those two eye creams have in common so that I can figure it out and stop using them. This is from Good Molecules. They always have the cutest packaging. This is the Clarify and Cleanse bar. Like, how adorable is that packaging? And then this is Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. Ooh, like this packaging just makes me want to use it. Next we have Derma E, and this looks like it's all from the same line. It says March into Bright and Vibrant Skin, and this is the new vitamin C bestsellers. Man, vitamin C is huge right now. I just got a couple vitamin C things from Murad. Those Bliss things were vitamin C. Now this. So, oh, this is a hydrogel eye patches as well. Interesting. And then this is a gentle daily cleansing paste. And this is a vitamin C concentrated serum. That's so random that everything is vitamin C right now. Next is from Laura Mercier. I actually just got a package from them like last week. Oh, so this is all about them being available at Ulta now. It's so funny because I just posted my full face of Laura Mercier today, and I just mentioned that they were available at Ulta because I saw that they were, it seems like it was like a month or so ago, maybe even longer than that, and I had a 20% off at Ulta coupon, so that's when I bought that Secret Under Eye brightening powder. Anyway, I think that they're just kind of highlighting some of the products that are available at Ulta. Ooh, this is cute. So they give us this little makeup bag. And then, okay, so this is filled with makeup. This is their Glow Powder Brush. I already have this, so I'm just gonna leave that. One of their blushes, the Caviar Volume Mascara, the Secret Brightening Powder. Okay, if you guys watched my last vlog, you saw me say that I was kind of happy that it wasn't in that last package because I just purchased it. Well, it was in this one. This is the first time I've gotten this product in one of the PR packages. And then a couple of lipsticks. This is the Caviar Eye, and a couple Caviar Eye Creams. And then also full sizes of the two translucent powders, the Glow and the regular formula. That is awesome. I definitely have some duplicates, so I will put those into a giveaway pile. I am like accumulating things for a giveaway. Next, this is from Beauty Bay. This is the first thing I've ever gotten from them. And this says introducing skincare by Beauty Bay, and they kind of gave this little like prescription page almost, and it looks like it's in a prescription bag. This is like a little washcloth, and then I have the soothing serum, hydrating serum, brightening serum, and correcting serum. So that is awesome. I've got serums for days. All right, this is the last box. This is the one from the brand that I am so excited about. Who do you think it's from? Leave your guess down below in the comments. I'll give you a second. All right, this is from Charlotte Tilbury. Freaking Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is really cute. The little note says, "Darling, I wanted to introduce you to my award-winning makeup, skincare, and fragrance brand by sending you some of the most iconic hero products for you to enjoy. I can't wait to see your own Tilbury looks that you create with these products. Lots of love, Charlotte." All right, so this is what the package looks like. And they sent over this. It's Scent of a Dream. This is their fragrance. Ooh, okay, this is Charlotte's Magic Cream. I have been wanting to try this forever. It's really expensive, and so I haven't just pulled the trigger on it, but now I'm so excited to be able to try it. And then there's this. Everything is packaged so beautifully. Like, the detailing of this packaging is just gorgeous. All right, I dumped it. So these are the products. This is the Instant Magic Facial Dry Sheet Mask. Okay, I've heard so much about this. It's a sheet mask, but it's dry. It doesn't have like a wet serum on it. You look like a crazy person when you do it. It like goes around your ears. But I've heard so many amazing things about it, so I'm really excited to try this. And I think you can use it more than once since it is dry. And then I have the Wonder Glow, the Full Fat Lashes Mascara, the Lip Cheat Lip Liner. This is in Pillow Talk. The Feline Flick. This is their eyeliner. The Film Star Bronze and Glow. The Swish and Glow Blush. And the Matte Revolution Lipstick. This is also in Pillow Talk. Oh my gosh, so many things. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to do my makeup and wear all of these now. I just want to show you the packaging of these because the price tag is high, but the packaging is just like second to none. So this is what this one looks like, and each side comes off, and then it's like a little present. And then this is the palette. Okay. So it is just gorgeous. So it looks like I have everything here except a foundation. So if you guys want to see a full face of Charlotte Tilbury, let me know down below. I'll just go and pick up, oh, I also don't have an eyeshadow. So maybe I'll pick up an eyeshadow and a foundation, or maybe a foundation and a powder, something like that. There's really only a couple of things that I don't have, but if you guys want me to do a full face of her products and let you know what I think, see how they wear, all the things, let me know. Alright, so I added that shelf, and then the tray and another drawer right here, and then that shelf, which I'm still undecided about this. So I think I might take this out because I would be able to lower this shelf more if all of these shoes were on the same level, and then I would have more room under these clothes for shoes. So that might change again. And then I just need to figure out what I want to put on this tray. I think I will do the felt and then some sort of organizers. And I just need to put stuff, move all the stuff in these drawers up one drawer because I added this one. And then I'll have that bottom drawer to add more clothes into. And I do like that this space is a little bit more filled up with that hat shelf. So I think that this looks way better. So I'm much happier with it. I don't know. We'll see. I just realized that I am wearing the same shirt that I was wearing on like Tuesday, I think. Anyway, I wanted to open up a couple of packages and then I'm going to close out this vlog because I was editing it and it's already getting long. So the first package is from Buxom. This is the Babes Who Brunch limited edition collection, and it comes with 4 of their full-on lip creams. I'm actually wearing Irish Coffee today, but these are the other 3. I think that they are so pretty. I am really, really excited to try all of them out. This is what they look like. So this is Irish Cream. This is what I have on today. This is Melon Mimosa. And then this one is Froze and Bloody Mary. So super, super pretty. I love this formula so much, so I'm very, very excited. I haven't gotten a package from Buxom in a long time, so very, very thankful for that. And then the other package is from Elemis, and this is this product. It says, "We can't wait for you to try out our Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. Our new 3-in-1 formula can be used as an overnight mask, a hydrating eye primer, and a moisturizing rescue balm." So that's exciting. Anti-wrinkle multi-use eye mask for fine lines and tired-looking eyes. So brightens, rejuvenates, and hydrates. I am excited to try this out. I love Elemis, so I am sure that I'm going to like this too. I think maybe I will try it out tonight. I'm trying another eye cream right now, and I have a little bumps again. They're only right in the outer area. I do not know what's happening. This is the 3rd one in the past couple of months. that has completely irritated me. So I don't know if I should just like not use anything for a few weeks and like reset my skin, or what I should do. Anyway, we don't really have any plans for the weekend as of now, just because everything is kind of like getting a little bit crazy here with the coronavirus. So we are practicing social distancing, and I don't know, we don't really have any plans, so I don't know what we will do. But if we do anything exciting, I will let you guys know. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm going to try to continue doing like weekly or bi-weekly vlogs for you, just because we are getting into like the fun part of wedding planning and all of that. So I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.